see and hear me okay?
We can, boss.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. There we go.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, here we go. Everything should be coming up. All right, here we go. YouTube is up. Twitch is up. Let me know when Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Rumble, TikTok, MySpace, Craigslist. Let me know when they're all up.
TikTok's up.
Thank you.
Twitch is good.
Thank you.
Craigslist top is good.
MySpace is up.
Thank you.
YouTube is up. OnlyFans is up.
Thank you. OF is up. Thank you. Our main stream of revenue here. Thank you.
Only Dad was good too.
Thank you. Only old bearded bald daddies are up. Okay. You like that? Huh?
Sure. Yes, sir.
Oh, this show. You never know what's going to happen with a live broadcast. Am I right? You just don't know. That's the beauty of being live. All right. Almost there. We're getting warmer. There it is. Almost there. Thank you. Good morning. Has anybody made any money yet this morning? It's only 9:07. The market's not even open yet. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you. It's glorious. I'm loving it.
Yep.
Ba-da-ba-ba-bam. I'm loving it. Nice. Tony over on Twitch says, ready to make some money today, coach. All right. I like to hear it. Just remember, if you are brand new to trading, please don't use real money. You should be trading in a simulator. I don't want you guys blowing up your accounts. Let's not do that. No, no. No, no, no. Everybody be cool with that, right? Follow all the rules. Who's still journaling? Did everybody journal yesterday?
Every day, boss.
Yeah, every day.
Yup.
Nice. I like it. Did you journal how much money you made on SPY yesterday?
Yes.
Good.
I did, boss.
Good, good.
MES.
Oh, nice job. Good, good, good. Walked you through the whole thing all day, told you to leave it alone, right? Use the shedding technique. Collect that money. You guys can see yesterday. Thank you, J Dog says, love your freaking face, coach. Thank you so much for everything you do for us. Thank you for being here. Thank you for that super chat over on YouTube. I appreciate that. That's the fastest way to get a call out or recognized or look at a stock or answer a question. Super chats. Throw them up there. Boom. So yesterday, SPY, you can clearly see the 627 area right here, right? This spot. You had a double bottom bounce. What are my two favorite trades in the business? Come on.
Double bottoms, double tops.
There you go. So would this or would this not have played nicely on this double bottom bounce? And it's low a day. I mean, this is right. That's just glorious. It showed you right here. It showed you where it wanted to have support. It came back, touched it 3 times, off to the races. So from 627 to 630 up here. See it? Perfect, 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 perfect. You're trained on it all day, every day. I should have seen hundreds of P&Ls posted. Go ahead, partner.
It looks like it double bottomed in the aftermarket there too. Does that kind of make that a gold line in your mind?
Absolutely. Yep. 1,000,000%, right? So first thing that we need to do today, right, as always, mark your pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Do that now for all of the stocks that you want to watch, right here. If you want to take it one step further, right, you can write it out, right-click on your chart, go to drawings, scroll down to text, previous day high. Boom, you can put this right on your chart so that you know what it was. Same thing, drawing, scroll down, text, pre-market high. Put it right here. Boom, now you know. Right here, same thing, drawing, scroll down, text, pre-market low. Boom, right there. Now you will know. Same thing here. Right click, drawings, text. Previous day low. Right here. Just like that. You can use that now the rest of the day. Now, if you are a VIP, Diamond, Futures, or Crypto member, you have our Trading View indicators. All of this is already on there. Am I right? It's already sitting right there, telling you exactly what I just did. Already put in the work for you. Everybody do me a favor. Go look at your Trading View indicators right now. Do you see how all of those are already charted out?
Indicator audible.
Thank you. Appreciate you. John Doe says, what's the sentiment for SPY today? All right, are you ready? Here we go.
Lucky.
Here we go. Here we go. Where's that magic 8-ball? Where's it? Shake it up. And it says, who gives a shit? I want you to trade the trades. There it is. I can't believe it says it. I have a special magic 8-ball. Right? It doesn't say yes, no, maybe. It says who gives a shit, because you shouldn't worry about market sentiment right here. See it? Can anybody see it? See it right there?
Yes, sir.
Right? You see it right there? That's why we don't use shit like VIXes and shit. You want to know why? Because if you go into this market thinking you have a bias or some special, oh, it's got to sell off. I keep seeing all the fake TikTokers right now. The market is going to sell off any day. You've been saying that for a year straight. That clickbaity shit has to eventually fade, right? Yeah, you'll eventually be right. Eventually, the market will correct itself. But saying it every day, dumb, right? That's why we don't use a lot of that shit, these fear things. That's why I don't use the RSI. That's why will never use the MACD. That's all a bunch of fear indicators. Right? Oh, it's oversold. It's overbought. And then it runs forever. Think about it. Yesterday on SPY, if you guys were looking at a MACD or an RSI, it would say this thing is oversold. Get out. It's oversold. Don't do it. And all day crashing, right? Okay. Avoid the nonsense. Check your bias at the door. Don't worry about any of that nonsense. Now, obviously, if there was good news and things happen, news will always override anything that has to do with technical analysis. You can be the greatest chart drawer in the world. News will come out. It's like shaking the Etch-a-Sketch machine. Just wipe the whole board. Clear. right? Gone. That's it. Okay. Media team's probably going to have a field day with that one. Yeah, you could just draw a little etch-a-sketch, shaking it, wipe the... oh, man. I must be in creative mode. It's because I've got a giant marketing meeting. The marketing juices are flowing, baby. All right. Speaking of a bunch of geniuses, let me thank all of my moderators, the amazing people here that help us every day to do what we're doing for the millions of people tuning in. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, and Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. I appreciate all of you for being here. Thank you to all of my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. We had a live one. Thank you. We had a live one in there. I appreciate you.
I got you today, Corbin.
Thank you. Appreciate. Yes, that's awesome. Very cool. Listen, at any time you guys are interested in joining us today, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Let me play my real quick video and then we'll get this party started. We got lots of time. Here we go. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc., all inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those. Sorry about that. I wanted to kill that before it got into the diamond. The diamond right now is on sale for 10K. The diamond right now is on sale for 10K. We're going to make some changes to that offers and promos, but it's on sale for 10K. Bruno, do we have any other sales going on today?
We have the VIP 12 months, get 3 months of gold. The futures 12 months, get 3 months of futures VIP. And also, David's mentorship, 5,000 for 12 months, 3 hours a month.
Oh, nice.
One-on-one.
Thank you. Don't forget about that, gang. Those seats are filling up quick. If you want to get a one-on-one with David for a full year straight, that's 12 months of mentorship from David, who's now closing in on $800,000 in profits doing the 2-minute EWO. He's literally done hundreds of one-on-ones for us here at American Dream Trading. He's been with us for 3 years. If you are interested in getting a one-on-one with David, limited seats for a full year of mentorship, coaching, working with, right? All the questions all the time. Now is your chance. It's 5K today. Regular price for that will be 10K. I think I'm going to run the sale until this week, and then that's it for that. So today's Wednesday, so you got a couple days left. That will be it, and then it will be $10,000. Again, very limited seats. Get it now. If you need help signing up for anything that we have in any lounge, say, I need help. Type it in, I need help. If you're a new person to our Discord, by going to our website, AmericanDreamTrading.com, and joining us for free. If you do not verify your account, either by that email that comes in, walking through, doing the things, it will kick you off the system. So make sure you verify your account. If you are here for free, please go over to the education and training area. There is so much over there for free. I cannot stress this. Get over there for free. We've got ebooks, flashcards, games, how-to videos, strategies, stock terminology, candlesticks, and patterns. Get over there and get started for absolutely free. I think right now, don't we also have a 2 free day trial with our premium membership, Bruno?
We do.
2 free days. If you want to try us out for absolutely free, get into our Zoom. Right now, typically our Zoom will be between 300 and 600 people in our Zoom. You will gain access to get training every day starting at 8:45 until 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all those hot stock picks, the pre-market setup where we go through those key critical areas that will help you throughout the day and at the bell. And you guys will get the IPO Center. So any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you guys will get access to it for free for the first 2 days, and then it will regularly charge you after that, which is $125 a month. So come on over, check it out, find out why we are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in history. I have been live every day here for 3 years. Come and find out also why we are one of the country's fastest growing companies that has ever existed, which is absolutely amazing. We are now an 8-figure company. We've been live 3 years, and we are now one of the largest startup companies in U.S. history. So thank all of you. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And what's even crazier is we've never marketed this company. We're an 8-figure company. We have never marketed ourselves. That's going to change today, by the way. We've hired a couple of marketing companies in the past, didn't work out. Today, we have a marketing meeting with one of the largest marketing companies in the country. I am excited to announce that we will be everywhere soon. You will not be able to go anywhere without seeing American Dream Trading. So get ready for that. I am going to slam-bay this entire scene starting now. Doug, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Super chat on YouTube, Coach.
Go ahead.
First, it's J-Dog.
In the wise words of Eric's motto, let's go! Buy the memberships and get your butt in the Zooms. Learn things, do the stuff. Do it now.
Thank you, Jay. That's awesome. We appreciate the support over there. Love your face. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Doug. Yeah, anytime you guys see that, let me know. Listen, if you're new here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market now for over 33 years.
Hey, baby. It's cool.
I got it. That was Richard. I have been in the stock market for over 33 years. I have trained over 1 million people. I have retired well over 250 people and growing every day. We have made 14 brand new millionaires where they were not before. 12 of those, by the way, had never traded a day in the stock market ever. We are at estimated $250 to $400 million in unconfirmed profits. I think I'm going to start saying it that way, that because I can't pull receipts and everybody give me your brokerage statements, right? I know that between 5 of my people, we're over $150 million with 5 people I have here. So it's not hard to get there, right? I know because I see their, I can't see their statements with their account information, but I see the screenshots of profits and the things that they're doing. So again, $250 to $400 million in unconfirmed profits for our members here at American Dream Trading. Yesterday, one of our members made $1.3 million. Yesterday, another one of our members made over $200,000 yesterday. That's $1.5 million yesterday with 2 people. Do you see how fast that can add up? So before you're like, there's no way they're making that kind of, we are every day, consistently, without fail. Now listen, for every person that's making $1 million, some of you will lose your money. Every person that's successful, one of you will fail. The only difference is the people that are finding success are staying true to it. They're following the rules, the guidelines, they're executing, and they're staying the course. You have 2 choices today. It's 2.5 minutes before this bell rings. You will either follow my rules or blow up your account. And you have a choice to make today. You can either quit and fail or stay and succeed. You are the only thing that is getting in your own way. You are only limited by yourself. So take yourself, move your ass out of the way, and let's get to work, baby. We got 2 minutes. Everybody's got their journal. Everybody make sure you follow the rules. If you are a new trader or you are in training, do not use real money. While you're in here, I want you to paper trade until you understand all the mechanics and everything that is going on. I will, of course, be live trading in front of you like I always do and always have for the last 3 years consistently, but not for you. You will be paper trading while you are in training. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day ever. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, boom, you're taking 30 days off of real money. Stop trading it. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader. If you're an experienced trader, watch that first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes of the day. It's the most volatile time. Make sure you journal each and every day. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. I don't care what the fake furu gurus are telling you. Do it now. Make sure you guys are going in with small position sizes. This will allow the runners to run and stop out those losers. If you are finding that your red days are larger than your green days, we need to get that sorted. Okay? Let's get that figured out ASAP. Yesterday, if you listened to the sound of my voice, you absolutely crushed and destroyed this market's soul. Today, you are set up for success. Make sure if you guys have an amazing day today, you take that money out. Pay off some debt, pay off some bills, pay something ahead, right? Do something. Go get that insurance, right? Pay 6 months ahead on your insurance. Get that life insurance. Do whatever you need to do. Get ahead 5 seconds. Everybody, let's crush the market. Nobody go rogue. Let's have an amazing day. Love your faces. All right, watching the market right here. Looking for a pullback. There it goes. See a little bit of a pullback right there at the open. I'll take it. That's 500. I had to do that quick because this is a bounce zone, right? That's the pre-market low. Wow, still collapsing. Look at this. That is SPY. Careful, SPY now is about 50 cents away from open yesterday. Or I'm sorry, close the market yesterday. If you guys have any 2-minute EWOs, I need to know about it ASAP. I see Apple's on a 2-minute EWO. If it stays above right there, Apple new high a day. If it stays up there, that is a 6-star trade on Apple to the upside. There's that bounce on SPY that I was looking for off that 628.78 level. Big bounce. If you guys see anything, call it out. I want the first 2-minute EWO indicator if you see it. If you see any hot stock picks running, I want to know about it, and I want to know it was a hot stock pick. Thank you.
SGPX spike.
To the upside. Thank you. Hot stock pick. I assume. Okay, thank you. Apple flying. We called that in the pre-market on Apple. Flying to the upside. Watching SPY here. Bounced back up to the 9.
Tesla's looking good to the upside too.
Tesla to the upside. Okay, thank you. Is it a 2-minute EWO yet or not? Need to know.
EHTH.
Is
Sorry, my went out. It's to the upside.
it a hot stock pick?
I don't know. I didn't look.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're all right. Watching SPY here. It hit the 9s, pulling back, moving around a little bit. Still sitting on the 9 here on my ES. I'm trading futures. Watching for SPYs. There it goes. I was going to say, see if we're going to get a pullback below the 9. Still waiting. I wanted to short that, but look at Apple ripping. Apple just annihilating it.
Tesla's looking good at the upside as well.
Thank you. I know. Every time I want to short the hell out of SPY, and everything is flying to the upside, right?
Yeah, so be careful.
I'm like, I just want to hammer this thing the way it looks, but not when the whole market is just on a I don't know why SPY's not following suit here. Apple's flying, Tesla's flying, the Qs are flying, and SPY is stuck. Crazy. That tells me if the market breathes back at all to the downside, SPY will tank. Right? If SPY's not going up with this market and they're all flying to the moon, if they all decide to pull back at all, what do you think's going to happen to SPY, gang? Okay, good. Glad we're all on the same page. SPY, I'm still waiting here. I want to see this pop this area and go. Qs are ripping. Apple, new high. Tesla, new high. SPY, are you going to wake up? Go. Bye. Can it break and hold this level? That's the question. That's the $1 million question. Still bouncing here. We can get a little bit more minimum SPY here. I'll long it. Still waiting. Apple new high. 3% on Apple. Ooh, that was a nice pullback bounce on SPY right there. Did you guys see it hit the 9? Is it going to stay up here or what? I'm not getting in that trade yet. It is still a mess. Apple 2-minute EWOers are loving life, though. They're like, yay, coach. It's glorious. Still waiting on SPY to do what it's going to do. Tesla pulling back a little bit. Tesla now at 310.50. It hit 311.50 before it pulled back a little bit. SPY still respecting this 9 to the upside, but I just don't have faith in it. I'm telling you, if this market breathes at all, SPY is in the toilet. So I got to be patient here. SPY needs to break this MA200 before I will consider going long with it. So 629.50. I want to break and hold a 629.50 or I am not longing that. There it goes. Now it's below the 9. You see what I mean? Look at that. So got a little bit more. Yep, I'll take it. That's 500. So got more. Oh, double bottom. Double bottom, gang. This is pre-market low. See it?
Yes, coach.
Double bottom. Be careful. This is where you're going to get wrecked. Everybody be cool here. Oh, Billy, Billy, Billy. Come on, I want to see you collapse, actually. I would love to see this tank. Being patient.
How heavy does Microsoft affect SPY?
Quite a bit. It's way up there. The Magnificent Seven, right, have all the weight for SPY. All the weight. Is it down?
Yes, it is.
Yep, so that could be pulling. Yeah, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, right? All the big, the Mag 7 basically have direct control over this. That's why I said if you see this market breathe back at all, which it did, and look at what SPY did.
And meanwhile, Tesla new high.
Yep, I see it. 311.67 on Tesla. Apple still 2-minute EWO to the upside. So far, I've made 2 trades. I'm up $778.86.
Coach, you got another super chat from J-Dog.
J-Dog, tell me, what is it? Go ahead, read it.
Why are you still here on YouTube? We'd love to have you in the Zoom call. The YouTube is just the tippy tip of the iceberg here at ADG.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you, J-Dog. Looking for a pull here, right? I want to see this break this area. Now, remember, we got about 50 cents. It's only about 50 cents, right, before we're pushing this green to red.
And you got a lot of traffic at that 628 level.
Right,
Coach.
right. It's all just teetering down there. Just looking for a nice pull down here.
Tesla's on a double top with yesterday's high.
All right, thank you. Oh, this is just teetering the bottom, isn't it, gang?
Yes, coach.
It's going to pop back up to this 9. Still off this double bottom. Still heavy, heavy, heavy. Still looking for this. Come on, baby. Drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Still sitting in here between here and this 9. Still heavy. Still respecting the 9. Come on, drop. Right there. Come on.
There we go. Come on, let's go.
Come on, get under there. Fighting this spot, isn't it, gang?
It is.
Come on. Still fighting. We still got that nice gap. I'm looking for this nice gap fill. If we can get under there, it's got a beautiful gap to fill to the downside. Still waiting. Come on. See what you got. Using that 9 as my stop. Apple still continuing to climb.
Yeah, that's not helping the spy, unfortunately.
Nope. Still under the 9. Still fighting.
Man, you know it.
Thank you. Man, this is right on the cusp, isn't it, gang?
Patience, patience.
Still sitting here. Come on, what you gonna do? Apple, new high a day. We're still under the 9. Oh, don't like that candle. Yep, that candle stayed up tall. Come on, it's still the 9, but this candle's got to get out of there. Come on, pull. Come on. It's thinking about it. Oh, this is heavy. Come on, baby. What are you going to do? Still respecting the 9. Has to stay under that 628.78, which is our pre-market low. That is the resistance. Yeah, these are just stair-stepping up. Dink, 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 dink. Guys, see them? Still on the 9. Come on, what are you going to do? It's trying. Oh, it's just dancing on that pre-market lower level. See it? Right on the cusp here. Is it going to have any breathe back or is this it? 21 is the end all be all. Can't hold. It's dancing with the devil. I'm out.
Up 100% on Tesla calls.
Oh, nice job. See, now on this one, I should have double bottom bounced that thing, right? That was my fault. That was 100% my fault. Man, I got greedy, though. I wanted that sucker to pull so bad down there. Ugh. No bueno.
You got biased.
Yep, no bueno. Good job on that Tesla. Good job. All right, so reset. If I see this break the 200, I'll go long. Watching it here. Apple, new high a day. Still climbing. Apple 2-minute EWO. How we doing, gang?
Still have runners at 95%.
Nice job.
But well, I don't know, because the news might push it through, but 210 was a previously strong resistance from the higher time frames.
Nice job. Now this tapped the 200 and pulled back.
Probably going to be like a top 5, maybe top 10 days for sure.
Oh, good job. Good job.
Same normal position size I've been trading with a little bit of 10% above that.
Yes. Nice work, partner. Feels good, don't it?
Yes, sir. Posted every day for everybody to see.
Love it. Now this just keeps tapping this 9. It's done it twice. Damn it. So
Pretty
now
tough for SPY to pull back when the Qs are trying to press up to previous day
yeah,
high.
so now we're getting this push off this 9. So this thing is completely flipped. 100% flipped here. $200 is the resistance.
145% on Tesla.
Oh my gosh. Nice job, partner.
Just needed Nimrod's audience to buy into it, I guess.
Good
Finally.
job. Good job. Buy it. All right, this is getting shoved in my face again. 2 bad trades in a row here. Getting greedy off this damn 9 costed me again. That's 2 times that greed overtook. Now we're touching back up on this damn 200 again. I'm going to have to set this.
50% up on Tesla.
Nice job.
Next week's expiration.
Good job. You guys are over here killing it. I'm over here acting a fool, losing money. You guys, oh, and there goes my long. There goes my long. That's that 200 long. Yeah, I've made 2 trades, and then I'll get in the green, and then I hold it too long, and then I'll just, man, you ever have them days? See, I've been doing this forever, and I still have days like that. Happens. Got to get control of it, right? Got to take the power back. Nice position here. Should get a nice push up to this 630. And then watch for a double top pullback, which it should not be there yet. I don't know why this is pulling early on me.
NVIDIA is on a double top pullback.
And that could be why. Thank you. Man, this had a beautiful 3 trades in a row. I will be done, by the way. If this is my 3rd trade and all 3 trades were bad, that will do it. No. Unbelievable.
Hughes also pulling back from their eye.
Of course they are. Unbelievable. That's 3 trades in a row. Oh my gosh. And look at this. 3 trades in a row. This pulled back did not even come close to the double top pullback. You sucker. This is that massive pullback I was looking for earlier before it got the baby climb. I told you on a breathe back, it's going to collapse. 3 trades in a row. Trash. That's terrible. Terrible. Urgh.
Who's up, coach?
Unbelievable. I know I need to take a break.
Hughes on the 2-minute is back to VWAP. Down.
Unbelievable. Apple still continuing to climb. SPY over here still beating me up. 3 trades in a row. Give me a break. James, thank you, man, for the $5 super chat over on the YouTubes. I appreciate you. Is that to make the old man feel better? I appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate you. Down here on that triple bottom, be careful. I only got a little bit of room here. Tiny bit of room. Thought I had a little more breathing room than that. Triple bottom bounce. Be careful. I swear every trade today, 4 in a row. I know it's crickets. It's because 4 trades in a row have been crap.
What happened, coach?
I don't know.
Every time
man.
I get in, it goes against me.
I'm like, yeah, I'm going. Well, think about it. I'm doing opposite of everything I train on, right? I just shorted a triple bottom. What do we do on support? Anybody?
Calls.
I just did that twice in a row. I did a double bottom short and I did a triple bottom short. Can somebody slap me? This is really silly.
That's me, coach. It's okay.
But I've done it like multiple times here. Silly.
I think it's all the milk companies mad at you.
They really are. One of my members, though, just posted that he's up $80,000 this morning. Good job. Good job. 80K. Beautiful.
You need to check it again, coach.
Oh, did it go up
Another
higher?
20 on that.
Nice. Still climbing above the 200 again. Wow. SPY has had some of the weirdest candles I've ever seen before. Look at these candles on SPY.
It's following NVIDIA.
This is nuts. Is it? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, NVIDIA's popping off.
NQ's ATR is 100 right now.
Yep, I see the Qs are flying now. SPY up here closing in on this double top. 629.80. It tapped it. This is what I was looking for earlier, but still had some room up there. Still had some room to go. Does it have any more on that pullback? Is this now for the first time when you're just going to rip and go now that I actually shorted you up top? Saw green 500, didn't take it. Getting greedy again. Coach, my gosh. Coach. 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 I'm going to slap the dog shit right out of your face.
You need to do a day of 2-minute evos only.
Gosh, it's just the
He needs
impatience.
the hand.
There it goes. Finally, payday. There it is. Okay. That's nice. Yep, look at the volume come in. That's nice. I'll take it. Finally, a trade that was successful. It was only $1,000. What in the heck? Whatever. If I got to take it 1,000 at a time, I will. Look at the volume in it. What is going on? Do you guys see the volume in here on SPY right now? At 9:56. You guys watching this market?
Hey, coach, do that trade 10 times.
Yeah, exactly. Yep, exactly. Nice, nice. Looks like we're up. We'll see. NVIDIA continuing to climb. Yeah, I am down. Target goal today, I'll shoot for 20,000 to make today. That'll be my goal today. Will I hit it? I don't know. We'll see. But I am working out of a hole. All right, right here. Let's see if we can get this collapse. Right here, if we can get a push. Yep, staying low. We got a little more in there. It's trying to break below that 9. See if it can hold below the 200 and the 9. Can it sit? Get down there. Yep, it's trying. It's got a little bit more to fill. Come on, you're in a good spot. Go, go. What's that dancing on right there? 629. Yeah, it's on VWAP. So close. I'll take it. 500. Come on, baby. Let's go.
You can do it.
That's right. J-Dog, can we be stopped? Go ahead, ask me if we can be stopped. We can't be stopped, says J-Dog over on the YouTubes of the Super Chat. Thank you. Appreciate you. Can't stop, won't stop. No, no. All right, so we had this bounce off of VWAP. SPY is a mess. Look at this chart on SPY from the open, gang. That is sick, right?
Yeah, it's up and down, up and down.
Looks like a roller coaster.
Yeah, it's horrible.
On tracks.
Yeah, that is horrible.
1 minute shift change.
Thank you. 1 minute, everybody, to 10 o'clock volume. 1 minute. 1 minute. Everybody be cool. Everybody got your stops in place?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Two leaps, 2022. They expired January 26th. Nice job. All right, here we go. Again, a pull. 10 seconds to shift change. Volume coming in 5 seconds. 2, 1, time. Still has room to go to the downside here. But who knows with this volume? It's funny. Everything in me wants to short this the way that this came off these candles all the way down and below the 9 and below VWAP. But the way that SPY has been overreacting like all morning. You see why yesterday was a glorious day when it went all in one direction the whole day? And I kept telling you, make more money than you've ever seen before, right? Does everybody remember that?
Yes, coach, we remember.
Yes, coach.
Yeah, look at this. Q starting at volume 2 to the upside. Same with SPY. Barely hanging on to this 9. Nice pop right there on SPY. Anything else running? Anybody see anything besides Apple 2-minute EWO and Tesla still up? Anybody?
Higher highs.
I said Weeble's moving up.
Somebody said coin dumped. Okay, thank you. Let's take a peek.
Nvidia's kind of at a quadruple top right now.
Is it? Okay, let's take a peek. Oh, yeah, no, yeah, Nvidia's, yep, I see it up there. Yeah, that 179 even, that's a big spot. See it? Yeah, it's like a big quad top. Oh, look at the volume come in on SPY here. Everybody see this?
Yeah, NVIDIA too.
See what I meant about, I was just worried about what that damn volume was going to do? Crazy.
Wow.
That just touched the top of the channel up there. 630 and pulled back. Tons of upside momentum. NVIDIA breaking through that 179 level. You want to see that hold up there. Yeah, getting a big push on SPY. Previous level of resistance right here at 630. Everybody see it? See if that's going to sit down there or not. Oh, it's trying to push through. It's trying to push through 630 here. Can it do it? It did. It's off to the races, gang. Oh. How much more has it got? Who's got the next level of resistance on SPY? Anybody? Gosh, look at this thing. What kind of candle is that? What is that?
Fire candle.
What the hell was that?
Coach said, doesn't that belong on the Hims chart?
That is ridiculous, right?
That's a payday.
That's
candle.
crazy. Who's got the next level of resistance on SPY? Anybody?
I think it's 631.03.
631. Okay.
I got 630.20. It's at it.
Okay, thank you.
I'm in Qs, and Qs are breaking out of its high, so that's a good sign for SPY.
Yeah, I mean, this thing is ripping. Crazy event here. Like I said, these candles are just, these are stupidly weird candles, right?
Erratical.
Okay, so it's not even picking up my screen now. See that? Yeah. Okay.
Somebody want to kill that, moderators? That'd be great. This thing's still climbing. This is beautiful. That turned into a nice trade, didn't it, gang? What the frick?
Trying to find some news.
You're not going to shed half?
Not yet. Did you see me think about it?
Nope.
I've got a level of 6351 up here. Taking half. Using this previous candle's body right here as my other level to take. Taking 3 more. Still up nice. Nicey nice. Using this level right here now as my mental stop right there.
Qs have run out of gas, struggling.
Thank you. This looks like it wants to push again. This is a push, not a pull. Adding.
Coach, what are you seeing that you say this is a push?
The way it's staying up so tall, it hasn't collapsed.
Gotcha. Okay. Because everything in me wanted to short it right there.
No, it's nothing. There's no weakness yet. If this starts to stall, I'll shed again.
But it's dancing.
There it goes. How beautiful is that? I'll take those. I got to close that because I got a bad fill. Nice. Nice. $2,500 trade. I'll take it. Bam.
The eagle.
The eagle. Yes.
I'm up 28% on total account using small positions.
Oh my gosh. Isn't that glorious?
It's so much easier than trying to knock it out of the park every time.
Yep, it really is.
Maybe I can use my brain.
Well, and the good thing is too, right, is if you get into a bad situation, it's not a bad situation because you're in so small it doesn't hurt, right? And what that does is it allows you to let them runners go and you don't freak out on the small stuff anymore, right? It's a mind thing.
That and trading the chart rather than my P&L.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Big time. Yeah.
I
Take that
shouldn't
right
even be
off.
looking at it.
Yep. Take that right off. All right. This is tapping support again. I want to see this come down to this 9 and then along it again. Because as long as we stay above that, what is it? This 630, I'm good. If not, I'm in this new channel. Right here. This can bounce off this 9. This has to hold here. This is the spot. This right here is now support. Buying long. See if this can hold off the 9. It is. I'm adding. See if we get a nice pop out of here. I'll put my manual stop in here just in case. The way that these candles have been going, they've been ridiculously weird Widowmaker candles. And I don't want to have to try to mentally click the button if it's just, right? Like that. No thanks. I'd rather get out of it, right? Like, no, thank you. If you can't hold, I don't want nothing to do with that, right, gang?
That's right.
Couldn't hold. It could not hold 630.20. Tried to long it off the 9. Pulled back almost all the way to the 21 here. Notice we got a pattern change, right? We got weakness up here. Gosh, those candles were crazy, though, for SPY, right? This isn't NQ I'm over here, right? This is SPY.
Definitely some tug of war going on.
Yeah, what in the
Pretty
hell? I mean, when it ran, it just took off. It's like pop, pop. Phew. Waiting. It's too quiet. What's going on out there? We got anything happening? Nice job.
Apple winners at 124%.
Nice job. One of our members is up 189,000. Just another day at the office right there. Good job. From a $700 account to now 200,000, $1 million weeks. Nice job.
One of those days would change my life.
Yeah, could you imagine making now $1 million a week?
Yes, I could.
It's nice, right?
Very, very nice.
Views have now pulled back to the 21.
Thank you. Yep, I'm seeing them. Yeah, everything. This whole thing, right? Big pattern change.
We going down to VWAP.
That's what I'm looking at. I set up for that, anticipating it, using this 21 as a stop here. Yep, there it goes. Oh, it just hit the 21 with a lot of volume. These candles are wild today. Am I right?
Yep.
You right. Certainly is challenging.
And everybody knows the Apple news, I hope.
Yeah, we talked about Apple in the pre-market. VIP for the win. Everybody was already set up for success, right?
Yep.
So it's showing this as support right there. Looking for that break right there. It's done that multiple times in that same spot. 3 times. There's the 200.
3 times a lady.
There it goes. Getting a little bit of a. There we go. Come on, flush. Harder. Come on.
Collapse.
Sitting right on
Q's.
VWAP.
Q's broke below the 21 at VWAP.
Yep. SPY sitting. It was sitting right on VWAP on the bounce. Looking for a bigger pull than that. Could have took it at 2K.
There's a nice trend line right there along the bottoms on SPY if you look at it.
Yeah, it's just sitting on this VWAP here. Come on, bleed. Bleed right through that.
Nice crosses at 20, 21.
There it goes.
Meta pulling just broke a double bottom.
Nice. There it goes. There it goes. That's nice. There we go. A lot of room now. Stay down there. Beautiful. Nice and heavy. Huge gap to fill. Still looking for more bleed out here. Using the, don't you come all the way back here. Give me a break.
Kind of starting a channel.
That is nuts. That spot where it bounced has nothing. That is just crazy. Let me look. Today's open. Did I miss that? Did that hit the day's open?
To the penny, coach.
I
Today's open.
didn't even see it. Didn't even see it. Didn't even call it out. Had no idea, and I bounced.
63.35. Yep.
Yep, I'm seeing it on my 2-minute EWOs. I'm like, why did it bounce there? There's nothing there. Yeah, it was. 2-minute EWO chart for the win, right?
Q's bouncing off the VWAP.
Yeah, today's open. It says 629.05. Right?
Yep. I'm looking at our trading view.
I know it. I wasn't. Luckily, I looked over there and saw it. Damn, those trading view indicators are the best thing that's ever happened to this planet.
Yep.
They really are phenomenal.
With your membership.
Mm-hmm.
An incredible tool.
Join now.
Do it. Do it now.
Green to red.
Yep. It's fighting it again right here, isn't it, gang? That's like the 4th time I've gotten greedy in that spot. Hope that doesn't cost me. I'm like, break through the son of a. You guys see that every time on my screen?
No, you were up 1,700.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it tapped too a couple times. But I'm like, it's right there. Just get right there. Staying below the 9, and it's just, it keeps respecting it, and it keeps getting rejected, right? The more times it gets rejected, it's just going to go boom.
Like me in high school.
There it goes. There it goes. That's what I was looking for. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes. 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 Beautiful. Come on.
Now we're cooking.
Yep. Taking 5 off. 5 left. Taking 3 more. 2 left. If it pulls here, I'll add. Yep. Adding. Nice. I'll take the 5 I just added. 2 left. Closing it out. 3,000. $3,000 trade. I'll take it. Boom.
2 super chats, Coach. You've got one from J-Dog. I'm running out of stuff to say. You already know what to do. Bunch of flexing.
Nice. Thank you, J-Dog.
And then Bucko is AmericanDream.com. Just throwing out the
AmericanDreamTrading.com.
That's right.
Thank you.
It looks like J-Dog and Bucko are in kind of a super chat war.
Nice. I like it. You got the super chat war going on. I appreciate you both.
Yep.
Nice, nice. Good job. Thank you, by the way, for everybody being here. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. This is American Dream Trading, where we will teach you how to trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto. Look at this poll, gang. That's nice. Am I right? Careful coming down to this major level again down here. We had this marked earlier. It's in it now. It's in that danger zone, right?
That's it.
Oh my gosh.
Today's low.
Oh my. Yep, there's the low. Just hit today's low. It's 30 cents away.
That's beautiful.
Oh my gosh. It's 20 cents away from going green to red.
Did you just pull under VWAP?
Thank you. Huge double bottom bounce here. Lot of crazy candles today. Look at that. Look at that SPY candle. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That was a full 1 minute red candle. You guys see it? There's barely any wick on that at all, right? Wow. And then it hit the brakes right at low of day, didn't it? For a double bottom.
Riding it back up. And
There's so much momentum. I don't want to touch it. Not off a candle like that. Holy crap.
Yeah, that damn thing's going down. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah, this is Yeah, it's like I said, the market wasn't even holding SPY up when it was all climbing. So if it breathed back at all, it's destruction, right?
Palantir keeps moving up 2.2%.
Thank you.
New high of a day.
Nice. Oh my gosh, this just look at this thing ready to just fall apart again. Take one stab at it.
Yeah, pre-market low 628 even.
Thank you. Nope, did not break through. Still in that bounce zone, right, gang?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy too.
Oh my gosh. It's just dancing on that spot. Gang, if that collapses, she gonna go none nights, am I right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
They just kind of hit the brakes right there, let her down gentle.
It's it did too.
4 times touching it.
I know it.
Hughes seemed to be influencing SPY a lot. It's right on the 200, getting ready to break below.
It's trying. She's trying here. Oh, it's getting volume. You see the candle starting to flicker a bit? Well, hello, Bubba Gump. I'll get your water. Hold on just a minute. Hold on, I'll get your water.
Sitting right on this gold level, I got coach at 628.25.
628. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it keeps bouncing around this 628. Yeah, 15-ish. So.
Yeah, I got a gold level mark from I don't know when, but it ain't recent.
All right, thank you. And it's trying. And I am foolishly fighting with a double bottom here, looking for the bottom to fall out. When technically I should be in a long. It's just the way that SPY is just reacting so crazy today. It's dancing.
It looks like Nvidia found support and is trying to come back up, and SPY's chart looks just like Nvidia.
There it goes. Double bottom bounce, you sucker. That's why I had that stop in place, gang, right? Let me give me 1 sec. I'm gonna go grab my old dog some water. Give me 1 sec.
Hughes bouncing off the 200 also.
What a recovery. Holy crap.
Palm, are you playing with SPY?
Oh yeah. Yeah, and I wrote out that painful wait for that double bottom bounce too. I took it on the 9.
I did the same thing. That was aggravating.
Yeah, that was getting sketch.
Well, the first candle into it was well, actually, the second candle into it on the 2 minutes of doji. I'm like, come on, let's go, get it over with.
Yeah, so 21 on the 1 minute, and it was the 9 on the 2 minute.
Yeah.
I was like, whoo.
And now it's coming back down. It's like, oh, you guys can't make up your mind.
It really is undecided. It's got the regression channel is just barely tilted down. So this does not mean that it's going down yet for the day. It just means it's undecided. So these first few swings are really nice money though. About the only part of the day where it moves in a decided fashion.
All right. Palms in the house. Yay.
Oh yeah. How you doing, boss?
Good. Welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Let's see what we got. What's this thing doing? Oh, it really did come off that, didn't it? Wow.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
You reached your super chat goal.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you. James, I see you. Thank you, James. Bucko, greatest community on the planet, American Dream Trading. Thank you. J-Dog. Yeah, what Bucko said. .com. Appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. We did hit our super chat goal. Thank you. Good job. Appreciate that. Nice. Looks like one of our members is now up 189,000, going for 200K today. That's a nice day. That's not a bad day, am I right?
It's amazeballs.
Yep. That's amazing. If you guys want to join us at any time, by the way, go to americandreamtrading.com. Sign up. Today we have two free trial days of our premium membership. You want to get in the Zoom action right now with us? Come on over. Come join us. Do it. Do it now.
Coach, you've also got a question on Twitch.
Yes, what's the question?
Tony Don 23. How much are you winning? What broker do you use?
How much am I winning? I'm using Webull and I'm down today. I wish I could say I was up today. I am down today. I would love to say I'm up today. Still young. The day is young. It's 10:30. This is Webull that you're watching. Was tapped to 21 3 times. And pulling back into this danger zone down here. Still looking for this break down here if it's going to hold.
It looks like it's following NVIDIA, and NVIDIA looks like it's on a head and shoulders on it.
Yeah, NVIDIA's also showing some weakness here. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you. I'm excited about our marketing meeting this afternoon. I'll be leaving soon to prep for that. It's going to be exciting times for American Dream Trading. Am I right?
100%.
Looking forward to see what they come up with.
Tesla just broke its triple top.
Thank you. Yeah, this is trying to pop this 21. This keeps riding it. I'm going to set this hard stop. Take it out of my hands. Let the magic happen.
Seems like it's just being propped up for a very large exit.
Yeah, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth time up here. So you got to remember it's coming off that double bottom bounce. Typically, when it does that, it'll try to make its way to VWAP off a big double bottom move like that. Man, back and forth today. I'll make some, I'll lose some. I'll make some, I'll lose some. I'll just back and forth, baby. Choppy chop, 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 chop.
The Qs looks like it's breaking through the clutter. All of the lines collapsed on themselves around VWAP. Just broken, held above VWAP. Qs.
Yep. It's coming up to pre-market high area now at 562.44 for the Qs.
I just took spot.
Dead right on.
If it holds above, I'll go back into the upside.
What's going on? Spam calls? Who the hell gets spam calls in 2025?
Oh my god.
Apple new high.
Apple new high. Let's take a peek. Oh
my! There we go.
Gosh, look at Apple.
I had a learning moment today. I moved my stops up, moved them up, kept moving them up, and then it retraced back and hit the exact penny.
Oh, wow.
And started to skyrocket. And so I tried to leave it with enough breathing room to retest all the way to 210. I even said, I'm going to move it up.
Yep.
And then I want to give enough breathing room to see if it retests 210. But I had already moved my stop up, and I said, I'm pretty close. We'll figure it out. The exact penny.
Oh,
and it
wow.
hit. I was like, but no over trading, no revenge trading.
Yeah, good.
It did up at $5,792 and
Oh, my. Wow.
One trade.
That's a great day right there. 5,000.
Nice job. Nice job.
That's phenomenal.
Great trade, David.
An hour's worth of work, right?
$5,000 for an hour. I'll take it. Apple 2-minute EWOers, where are you at? You guys are crushing this. Where are you?
I got to get contracts the upside in Apple.
Oh my gosh. You guys making a gazillion dollars over there or what?
Got shares of A-Lab too. I'm up over 20% on that.
Oh my.
I was a little late to the party on that, but it's good.
Great job.
A-Lab reported phenomenal numbers last night.
Yeah. They're up 30% this morning.
Good job.
Watching that one roll. Let's see if I can squeeze any more out of this stupid SPY. Man, herky jerky.
Yep, I'm in it again, but it keeps pulling back at the same spot right here. This 629.80. I had this marked earlier.
If it can't crack this, then it's the right shoulder.
Yep. Yep, I got a little bit. I got 1,500 out of it.
See if it completes the channel. We're coming up.
Yep. If it can break that, I can ride that to the ceiling.
629, 91, roughly.
Yep.
Should start choking a little bit.
Yep, I've got 630.22, but let me see. I don't know why I have that. I'd have to go back and look at what that was.
Yeah, I got the same thing. It's just an older line, but for some reason on the regression channel this morning, it's just there's the channel's a little bit below that.
Got it. This is
poked.
Yeah, poked through. It's stalling here. I want to see if it's going to pull back and retest the spot and then go, or is this it?
It's just 630. So it popped through the top and the bottom of the regression channel on this last swing. So now you're coming into like normal. It's starting to settle a little bit. So you got the 630 to deal with.
Apple new high day.
Thank you. Apple 2-minute EWOers, you guys, come on. There should be 8 million people screaming, cheering, crying, getting your American Dream trading tattoos on. Where are you at?
Palantir is now stopping up 3.3%.
Okay. Good job. David's the only one who made astronomical amounts of money on Apple today. We train on that every day, all day. It's all we talk about. And Apple, and David is the only one who made $5,000 today. Gang, it's the biggest trading day in Apple's history. Where are you? Open the mics. I want to hear all of you.
1,000.
Coach, I had to turn it into a scout because of a call with auto insurance, but it did 2.12% total account.
Yes. Great job.
1,077.
Good job. Good job.
Up to 70% on my contract.
Yes. Yes, that's better. Good job. Just remember, use the shedding technique, right? You should not be out of that. That is nowhere near VWAP, never has been. Not even close. It's 4.35% to the upside. You should be crushing its soul today, like just soul crushing move. So everybody got your stops in place in case there's any type of news, anything weird that can blow this up. Is everybody cool?
Yes, sir.
For Apple on the pullbacks, none of them has broken the last level of resistance as it's stair stepping up. So as long as it hasn't even done that and hasn't significantly penetrated any of the indicators, I'm still in at 100%. I haven't even shed yet.
Oh yeah, it's just perfectly stair stepping up.
I did, however, take my SPY at the 630 when it broke.
Yep. And it hit 630. I did too. I took it for another $900 when it got up to that 630.20 ish. I'm like, no.
Yeah. It's not showing wanting to break through yet.
Yeah, so the channel I've got is 629.80 to 630.22.
Same.
Yep. We break the 630.22. We're making that move back up to 630.60. So around 50, I'll start paying attention to it.
A little skittish.
Oh, yeah, big time skittish right here. See if we can get a bounce off this 9 here.
I came in late.
There it
Was there
goes.
news on Apple this morning?
I just took it for another 600 off that bounce right there, Palm.
Yes, there was news on Apple.
I'm watching Apple here very closely in case I need to take.
Gotcha. Yeah, Apple's still screaming 4.5%. Good job. Who had the Apple news? Go ahead.
Just the U.S.
Bringing
government.
some plants back to the United States, making some parts for the phones. David knows more, but that's what I heard on Fox Business.
White House touts new U.S. investment from the company.
There you go.
212 needs to break and hold 212, and then 214 is going to be a big heavy wall of resistance there.
Yeah, that's got a long ways to go to 214.
So basically, we're making more of the phones here.
The way it's moving, it's got a good shot at it.
Gotta love the fact these companies are all bringing the jobs back to the good old U.S. of A. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How long has
Absolutely.
Apple been outsourcing all that crap overseas, right? Well,
Yeah.
you guys heard, didn't you? He was going to throw a monster tariff on their foreheads if they weren't going to bring the jobs here. You guys hear about that? He was going to wreck Apple's soul if they kept outsourcing all those American jobs.
He made them cry uncle, and now they're like, all right, we're bringing about a bunch of plants, or however many.
Yep. Another couple of billions of dollars, and who knows how many thousands of people will now get employed here.
Well, they said it was cheaper to just pay the tariffs and pass it on to the customer.
Right.
Somebody said bullshit.
Yeah. Well, yeah, and over time it will swallow you up. 30% over time or whatever. He said it was going to be massive. That'll make you start thinking differently.
Amazon's getting a bid.
Apple new high a day. Still continuing to climb. SPY up here on this upper channel again, 630.20. Yeah, India got hit too with that big tariff. Yep. Time to play ball, ladies and gentlemen. He's not messing around. Canada's still trying to hold off too. I love Canada. I wish they would get their act in order. That would be great.
Speaking of Canada, I watched the South Park movie last night from the 90s or
Oh,
the
yeah.
2000s. Bigger, better, uncut. Oh, man. Canada just gets roasted. It's so good.
Yeah. Aren't they? They're from Canada, right?
Terrence and Phillip from Canada.
Yeah.
And they
I
all
say the
like
creators are
heads
from
that
Canada.
pop
Yeah.
out.
I always like it when they're doing the pew pews, right? And the bunny, it's coming right at me.
Yeah. It's coming right for us.
Yeah, it's coming right for us.
And Satan and Saddam in the
Oh
bedroom.
my gosh. This is great. That's some hilarious stuff.
Did y'all see the newest episode? New season, new episode?
With Trump, yeah.
Yeah, it was funny. I was gonna say just with Mr. T's in it, but it's funny as hell.
That's awesome. Tesla, is that new high?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
New high of the day.
Good job. Nice work, everybody. Apple, new high a day. 212.27. Did you guys see Kramer yesterday? Finally, and I posted it. He said, hey, you wouldn't believe it, but Tesla is not just an automobile company. It's all about their technology. It'd be a great time to buy. You know, I'm like, oh my gosh, dude, where have you been? Did you guys see me post that? I posted it yesterday. I don't remember.
Yes.
You've been saying that for 2 years, Coach.
I know.
Tesla is not a car company.
Exactly. I'm like, that's the least of what they do is those automobiles. That's just funny, isn't it? And they're like, hey, earth-shattering news over here.
Kind of like my boss at work. It's not a good idea unless it's their idea. So now
I
that
know.
they say it, oh, it's great.
That's just funny. And now, of course, Tesla's, banging today. I'm like, where have you guys been? I've been yelling that in here for years, ever since I've walked in the door, right? We've been in business 5.5 years. I've said it every day, literally every day.
You know, Coach, I'm watching Ford, and I had like 8 stars up. However, it was at the double top,
Yep, I see it.
so I did not take the trade.
Nice. That saved you, didn't it?
Yeah.
You are
Amazon's doing a nice little run right now.
nice. You're a genius. Yeah, I see a triple top Ford 1122. Good job, partner. Way to see that, right?
Yeah, thank you, Coach.
Yes, nice work.
CTW, new IPO for today is live now.
Oh, there it is. CTW, gang. CTW is live. No volume at all, though. Holy crap. Unless it's halted. Did it? No, it's on. There's no volume yet. 476K. CTW. Might be worth sticking a toe in there. CTW, because you never know with those, right? Put in your stop and, not financial tax or investment advice. I see one of our members is now up $233,000. That's $250,000. It's not even lunchtime yet. From a $700 account in October. You got to like that, right?
Love it, Coach.
Absolutely.
Big cojones.
Good SPY here.
Yeah, I just took a little bit of a pull. I don't know what the hell it's doing.
Yeah, I know. I want to short this too right here, but I mean, it still had a little bit to go, but
yeah, did you tap the 21 there?
Yep.
That's okay. It's a little sketch today, so I'm getting out early on gammas.
Yep, smart.
And the neat thing about the person we're not naming is that this week he's kind of taking a breather and relaxing.
Yeah. This person that we won't name, I'll be filling in for tomorrow. I'll be here. Don't you worry. I'm ready. I'm ready to champion that area. Right? Woo! I'll be here in the morning and there in the afternoon. Here, there, everywhere.
Just took half my apple.
Nice. Yep, see it pulled
I'm
back.
getting fatigued.
Yep, pulled back to the 9. Yeah, if Apple starts falling out, I'll be watching for SPY to follow.
Yeah, it's not even so much the 9. I mean, that's definitely important, but the run itself is getting fatigued.
Yeah.
The price action and the candle development is just coming a lot slower.
Right,
That
right.
usually indicates bears wanting to step in a little.
Yep, and it's done it 2 other times. Everybody, right? That's a shedding spot. You see the way the 2-minute candle is lower than the previous 2-minute candle, yes?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
SPY stair stepping down. Still technically on the 9, though, on the 1 minute for SPY here. I know it doesn't look like it, but that is still considered above the 9, and this is where it will freak people out and get you into trouble. Those candles are still all within that 9. So, if you start shorting this early, anticipate, look out. So this is why we want to wait for a break and hold to show us one way or the other. 20 seconds on that 1-minute candle on SPY, and we'll see if it'll break through. SPY gets below that 629.80. I will short it again. Not financial tax or investment advice, just letting you know what I'm thinking in my head. But yep, and there's that bounce on the 9. Hopefully I saved somebody's butt. Maxi Max, go ahead.
I just had a question on a trade I did.
Yes.
If you want to take a look.
Sure.
If you can pull up Meta.
Okay.
So I got it on the 2-minute. It bounced on support at like 763, then popped back up to see where the 200 and VWAP meet around 1006.
Okay, that's
ish.
Okay.
It's like a doji on the 2-minute.
All right, let's okay, I'm on the 2-minute. What am I charting?
See how it popped. If you look, so I was in the 2-minute to the downside, right?
Yep.
And at like 1006,
marking it. Go ahead.
I got out at decent losses. It popped above the 200 in VWAP, but it ended up pulling back down. I got back in and made some money on the way down again, but not enough it didn't make up for what I lost in the front end. But I'm wondering if I should have gotten out there, or is that kind of the same conversation? Is that tethered enough where you don't necessarily get out right there?
Well, it's tough because if you got in, if I'm looking at this right,
yeah,
and you got in here,
yeah,
then yeah, any movement to the upside is going to be red.
Yeah.
So this is tough because you had to either wait for the break and hold above VWAP to know to get all the way out. Otherwise, your trade is red right out of the gate before you can make any money. So that's a tough spot, right?
Yep.
Well, if that's the case, right, then I want to go to my 25 to 40% threshold. So if you bought here, was this still in your 25 to 40% threshold?
No, and that's kind of why I asked. I look back and it wasn't, but it was the indicator that kind of made me get out before my stop right now. But I'm looking it's maybe close enough that I should have waited a little bit longer to see what was going to happen.
Yeah, that's a tough spot. I mean, that's hard. And then, the more you're holding it and it's going red and you're like, oh, I don't know, and all the things. I mean, I get it.
Yeah.
Some of these are really hard, and I understand that. Let me look back here, see if this will kind of give us some data too. Yeah, I mean, I can see Right here. This is all going to be resistance. See it right here? So this will be another thing that'll help. Let me blow this line up, and then we'll talk about why. You see it right there? That's the biggest level of resistance for the day. See that white line? Here, let me make it a different color so it pops. See it?
Yeah.
That's the biggest level of resistance for the day. So if I'm holding this 2 minute, that's another thing I want to look at, right?
That could give me confidence to hang on for another candle, maybe.
A little bit. Yep. Even
Yeah.
just that little bit. And like I said, that's a tough trade. By the way, everybody should be just printing on SPY if it broke through that double top.
Yep.
But yeah, that's tough, man. I mean, because the fact that you got in down here, that makes it hard because you're so far away from VWAP. So no matter what happens, you got to eat it. So coulda, shoulda, would've. I mean, should you hold on and it's below VWAP? Yes. If it was in the 25 to 40% threshold, yes. If it started to bleed out too much and you just didn't like it, I don't blame you. So
Yeah.
it's hard.
Okay.
That's a hard trade. That's just a hard trade. Yep.
Hey, it's not. We're not about 100%. It's just nice
Yep.
to know I read it not too terribly.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely. That's just a tough trade, man. Only because now think about this, everybody. Right? This spot right here is the only reason it was so hard because it came to here. Think about it. Had you got in anywhere in here or maybe even here, that would not be a lot to stomach. Right? That just wouldn't be that bad. But the fact that it's here, that makes it hard. Right? So that's just bad timing. I mean, this was the 2 minute. Had it been here, you'd have been like, of course I can hold it to here, right?
yeah, totally.
Yeah. So it's tough. It's a tough spot.
Yeah.
Apple pulled back all the way to the 21. You guys all did shed on that spot, right? Okay, good.
I think both are all the way out.
What's that?
So I think most are all the way out.
No, they shouldn't be. That's
I'm
not. That's not the rule. They better
I'm
not be
not.
all the way out. I'm gonna drive in your house. I'm gonna monster truck over it. I'm gonna slap you, and then I'm gonna eat your
Well,
steaks.
we only have 3, and I shed 3 times.
Nope. It's not what you do. It's not it, partner. What's the last one supposed to do as long as it's above VWAP and it's not going to allow your good green trade to go red?
Rana.
Let it go. Let it go. Because what you'll find out you'll start doing, you'll start getting out on all those on the sheds, right? And before you know it, right? So you'll be like, I'm out 1, 2, 3, and didn't you miss this?
Right. No, I got out the second one, that second one you circled,
That one?
then that one, and then that one was my last one up top.
Yeah, and that's no,
So I got 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and if you're in here, why are you worried about this spot for your last runner?
Because I didn't get in there, I missed it, Coach.
Oh, I got you.
I
Okay.
got in on that red first pullback.
Oh, that's
That's what I'm saying. I missed the open. I couldn't catch it.
Oh, okay.
So I got in late.
Yes,
on that first
super
red
late.
pullback right there.
Yeah,
then I
that's-
shed, then shed.
Yeah, that's super late. Super crazy
Yeah,
late.
I know.
Yep.
I tried
gotcha.
3 times. It wouldn't fill the order.
I got you.
I kept putting it in. It was moving really fast right out the gate.
I got you. All right. Well, that's why. That explains it, everybody, right? But for everybody else that's in here, you're not worried about that at all, right? That's not even a worry at all. Am I right, gang?
You're right. Sorry to interrupt, Coach, but in 1 minute, I'm going to be breaking to go to the mentorship. I have
Oh,
no
nice.
problem you guys listen to Coach and his valuable input. I'll be there for when you get there. If it's a little 5 after, whatever, whenever. But we have the mentorship starting in about 15 seconds.
Yes, thank you. And I
Thank
got to
you
go
for
too
today.
because I have a marketing meeting. Bruno, I'll be prepping for that. I'll see you in that. Yeah, for everybody else, look at this. If you got here, right? If you got in here, that's your 2 minute EWO, right? And we're up here. And the beauty of, as I tell you, right, the longer you're able to hold it, what is VWAP doing the whole time, right? So the longer you can hold on, even if it breaks and holds below VWAP, Isn't that still profitable?
Well,
Yeah,
not,
100%.
not only that, but every time it pulled back, it did not break the resistance, break the support of what the previous resistance was. So it's a perfect stair-stepping pattern, and just now it's finally starting to challenge the last resistance level at support.
Yeah, it's
So
starting to
if
get
it
heavy now.
bounces
Yep.
here, then you still got a beautiful run. You still have a beautiful runner.
Right.
But if not, then you got to start paying attention to what's going to
True.
a little more downside.
Yeah, absolutely. And here's the thing too that I want all of you to be thinking about and concentrating on, right? The market still has 5 hours, right? So if you're like, oh, this is terrible, but you bought it down here, right? And this is still profit, and you still have 5 hours to go. Apple could go up 8%. We don't know. Do you see what I mean? So you're trying to get out to save the $20 or whatever it is when that 20 could turn into 200, right? Because you only think about it. If you did the shedding technique, 50, 20, 20, 10, you probably only got the last one in there, most of you. So it's 10%. You've already made all your money today. You're already 90% in the money. And the last one is just how much money is the last 10% going to give me? Is it going to be here? Is it going to be here? Is it going to be here? You see what I'm saying? This is your last 10, or some of you 20, or some of you 30%. This whole area is still profitable. But this whole area is still open, right?
David talked about it yesterday, putting a stop on just above where you're at and going for a walk.
Yeah, and what I like to do is, right, if you don't know, I kind of split the difference. Right? So if I bought it at $1 and it's sitting at 2, I can go $1.50. If I bought it at $1, it's sitting at 3, right? So I will adjust my stop too, right? To be like, okay, well, I'm going to make sure I lock in X price. You know what I mean? And then let it work. Let it work its magic. You'd be surprised how much that last 10% can get you. Because think about it. If a lot of you are coming in here on this 2-minute EWO with a scalper's mentality, you would have gotten out here, here, and this would have been your final one, right? Some of you overly scalp, and every time you see red, right, you're like all over. Ding, 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 ding.
Not talking about me.
Yeah. Yeah, but you're a scalper. You're
I
a
was gonna say, I
scalper, though.
feel like I'm being attacked over
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
man.
no. Yeah, now you do, right? You'll go in heavy and then chat. I get it, right? That's kind of like the machine gun approach, which I love, by the way, because it's as long as you're locking in as you go up, right? If you start 50 here and then you get rid of, right? That's a different story, right? So, but now think of this though, David, right? If you started at 50 here and then you did 20, 20, 10, right?
Oh yeah.
So
I don't know. I know it's a mental block that I have personally, but
yeah.
I've seen that the way that I do it works.
Oh yeah.
At least because mentally, hey, that $75 I've already collected, and then if it jumps another, oh, that's another 100 I've collected. Oh, that's another 200.
Yeah.
It gives you that little cushion. It's like, okay, I can handle the rest of this. And I've tried other things, and my mind does not process it.
Yep. Absolutely.
I fight that same battle every day, David. Same thing.
Yep.
The only difference is mine's thrown out in front of everybody.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
you're making more than me.
Yep. Absolutely. Coach, I get the same questions. Coach, how much are you winning? Coach, how much are you up on the week? After today, right now, about 54,000. After today's hit, we'll see. Yeah, when I'm not in the room,
they say winning like it's gambling.
Yeah,
like
I know. That's my
dice.
favorite. Well, how much are you winning? These aren't horse races, right?
Yeah, this is, you know what you're doing, making money. You're not gambling.
Yeah, yes, exactly. And listen, if you guys have a red day, right, or a couple red trades, shouldn't be the end of the world as long as you're following those rules, right? Now look at Apple bouncing. You guys see this? Doesn't mean it's going to stay up there. But do you see how when you start to freak out and panic, it doesn't do anything for you, right? That's what's nice about that 2-minute EWO is it's supposed to take the panic out of you. It's supposed to slow your roll, right? All right, listen, I got to go, though. I got to get ready for this meeting. All right, thank you again to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Nice horns. Thank you. I appreciate it. Listen, if you guys are interested, go to the website, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Make sure you guys click the like and share, right? Make sure you subscribe if you're watching over on YouTube. Congratulations. Our couple members are just rolling in the dough. Over $250,000 over here now for one of our members. Just absolutely beautiful. You guys keep on rocking and rolling. Keep on studying. Keep on learning. Tomorrow I'll be here same time, 9 a.m. Love your faces. Thank you, guys. Moderators, you have control of the board. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Great job
Take
today.
care.